like going to school with you. We are best friends. Hi, Lily. I wanna be alone. Did I do something wrong?
Emma feels very sad.
Where is Lily?
Can I sit here?
Sorry. I want to sit alone today.
Lily is ignoring me.
Emma becomes very quiet.
What happened today? Lily is ignoring me.
Lily is ignoring me. Sometimes friends have bad days.
I hope Lily is okay.
I want to talk to Lily. Are you angry with me?
No, I am not angry. My grandmother is sick. I understand.
Friends help each other.
I want to make something special.
Best friends help each other.
This is for you. The card is beautiful. I am happy we talked.
You are a wonderful friend.
We are best friends again.
Good friends stay together.